Encountering issues pairing your new Apple Watch Series 11 with your iPhone? Don't worry. Here's how to resolve it. First, ensure both devices are running the latest software, iOS 18 on your iPhone and watchOS 11 on your Apple Watch. Then, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and that both devices are within 10 meters of each other. If the pairing still fails, try restarting both your iPhone and Apple Watch. To restart your watch, press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. After restarting, attempt the pairing process again through the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. The Series 11 uses ultra-wideband UWB for faster pairing, so ensure there are no obstructions. Also, confirm you are signed into the same iCloud account on both devices, as iCloud sync issues are a common cause of pairing problems. If a simple restart doesn't fix the pairing issue, try unpairing your Apple Watch from your iPhone via the Apple Watch app, then repair it. For persistent problems, a reset might be necessary. You can force restart the watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Or perform a full erase by going to Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings on your watch. Before erasing, ensure you have a recent iCloud backup. For iCloud-related issues, verify that iCloud Drive and Find My are enabled. If you experience iCloud pairing failures, check your account status on iCloud.com. As a last resort, before contacting Apple support, update to the latest software via the Watch app. Toggle airplane mode on/off, or use iPhone's Bluetooth settings to forget and reconnect the watch.